Artificial intelligence holds immense promise. From healthcare to finance, AI transforms industries. But this power comes with responsibility. Errors in AI development can have significant consequences. A small oversight can lead to millions in losses. The development of AI systems requires meticulous attention to detail. Every line of code, every data point matters. As AI becomes more complex, the margin for error narrows. A single miscalculation can cascade into a costly mistake.
Consider the case of a promising startup, brimming with innovation and ambition. This startup was developing an AI-powered medical diagnosis tool, a groundbreaking technology that promised to change the landscape of healthcare. Specifically, this tool aimed to revolutionize cancer detection, offering a faster and more accurate diagnosis than traditional methods. Early tests showed remarkable accuracy, exceeding expectations and generating a wave of optimism among the team. Investors were excited, pouring millions into the company, convinced that they were backing the next big thing in medical technology. The future seemed bright, with the promise of saving countless lives and transforming the way cancer is detected and treated. However, during a large-scale clinical trial, the system faltered, revealing a critical flaw. The AI tool began to generate false negatives, missing crucial indicators of cancer, which could have devastating consequences for patients. This error was traced back to a seemingly minor oversight in the training data, a small mistake with huge implications. A bias had crept in, skewing the algorithm's judgment and leading to a $2 million miscalculation that shook the company to its core. The error was not in the AI's core logic. Instead, it was rooted in the data that was used to train the AI model. It stemmed from the data used to train it. The dataset, although extensive, was not representative of the diverse population it was meant to serve. The training dataset, while large, lacked diversity. This lack of variety meant that certain groups were underrepresented. It underrepresented certain demographics and cancer subtypes. This underrepresentation skewed the AI's ability to accurately